Hey y'all, so today I'm going to be showing you how to resize the wall art that you get from Creative in Photopea. So this is my first time using Photopea in some years, but it was easy to go in and do this. So of course I am doing a 3:4 ratio. This is my 8x24 dollar wall art that I have on my site right now, only 25 available, so go get one. So I'm going to be doing a 3:4 ratio. So I picked out my ratio and then I go to images, size image, and I'm gonna do a 9:12, I believe. So I go to inches and I change that to a 9:12. There you go. And then you see that and you press OK. This is very similar to Photoshop. So if you're watching this, you have Photoshop, you can go in and do this the same way. So there you go. It sizes it smaller to the 9:12. And then all I do is go to File, Export As, go to PDF, because I'm going to export this as a PDF. You can do it as a JPEG, PNG, however you desire. And I save it. Make sure I have the right file name in it. I go ahead and I save it. And I'll open it up, see what it looks like. And voila. Look at the clarity and the quality of this. Y'all better go get this. It's only $1 and it's not going to be here for long. I'm about to raise the price and give y'all the full set for $7 like the rest of my wall art. But yeah, this is Crimson Stance. That is $1 right now, only 25 available. You better go get it and sign up for the email list too, because you might get it for free. But yeah, that is how you resize an image in Photopea. It is super easy and super user friendly. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. Anyway, talk to you later. Love you. Bye.